I've mentioned how popular quinoa salad is for a family that has many health issues. There's nothing you can complain about in this salad. Quinoa is a wonderful resource, and I've shown how easy it is to just boil it on the stove, but you can use a rice cooker. You could do it any way you'd like to. And it's good to fluff it a little at some point while it's cooling. You don't have to, but a fork really fluffs it up. I'm not going to make the whole portion that I have for salad. I have other things in mind.
So this is not a pasta. Is it a grain?
It's a grain. And it has endless. It has such a mild flavor that it has endless possibilities of how you can vary this. So this is what I do probably almost every time we have a large family dinner, because someone is going to depend on this. I mean, some don't eat meat, some don't eat dairy, some don't eat sugar, and there's nothing to worry about in this. So I put whatever vegetables are around, raw or cooked, are all good in this. For color, I'll add cherry tomatoes that I've cut in half. And by the way, if you're trying to stretch the cherry tomatoes, you can cut them into slices and get even more color throughout your salad. This is 2 of our homegrown cucumbers. They're not bitter at all, so nobody's upset about that either. And I like to put big slices of sweet onions. These are the real sweet Vidalia onions. And why I like to put them in that size is those who do not like onions can pick them out. So the onions are the most controversial part of this salad. Now for the dressing. The dressing is very simple. I like fresh lemon. If you don't have fresh lemon, this real lemon really is a very good substitute. So I use half lemon and half olive oil, and I like to use the extra light olive oil from Costco. Again, it just doesn't have any extra flavors, just the goodness of the olive oil. I'm using Redmond's real salt. I like it. I don't remember to use it all the time, but this is, as I said, a salad with no controversy at all.
Tell me that
1 teaspoon.
What is it?
Redmond's real salt is a popular salt, mined only in Utah. And it has a lot of minerals in it. It's been that way for thousands of years. They take it out of caves and mine it.
The others is pretend salt. This is real salt.
Well, it's called Redmond's real salt. That's the name of it.
Is it iodized?
No, no. Like I said, this is not controversial. We don't put. So then I've got the salt in there, the lemon juice and olive oil equal parts. And then I like to whisk it so that it kind of emulsifies. It won't really, but this whisk has a little ball in it that helps extra put it in. I'm mainly interested in getting the salt evenly distributed. And I know this looks like a lot of salad dressing, but I'm going to pour the whole cup right in. And give it a stir, and you are ready with 1 extra salad that no one is going to complain about, because they can pick out the cucumbers, they can pick out the tomatoes, all of the vegetables are clearly identified, and I think that they look just beautiful when they're all combined. And then anybody that doesn't want anything else, there is no dairy in this. There's nothing to worry about. So this is...
Would you chill it for a certain amount of time for the flavors, or is it good eating right away?
Either way. The main thing is that you've done the quinoa in advance and thoroughly cooled it. If it's hot, it's going to wilt all the vegetables you put in it. But yes, it's good to go. You can serve it right then. So here is quinoa salad. Now for a taste. Oops. I'm not gonna take the whole any.
Get more of that quinoa. There we go. Oops. It's very good.
It's refreshing.
Mhm.